Back to the channel. Good afternoon to everyone. This is Mr. Kwete as usual on Eagle Production Group. These days we are located at Chopoli, our new block factory, and you can see Chopoli is another area in Tema within the Greater Accra region, which is also fast developing. We have the affordable housing, the new airport city coming on, and then where we are located, we are between in the Chopoli township. So the road to Agotor, Adan, Aflao, on when you are coming from after the affordable house, after the bridge, you are the right side. After that washing base at Chopoli, you see Mr. Kwete Block Factory. And as usual, as you know, we'll be working with most of our people for some time now. And most of our people outside us also gotten a land from Agotor, the Shiloh area there. So we have decided to put up another block factory here so that we can come in support. As you know, we deal in the building materials, the cement, blocks, all types of blocks, and then cement as well. The iron rod there, we are not yet there as I always tell people. But when it comes to cement, blocks, and then land, we have some lands that we do sell also as well around Chopoli, Pampran, Ningo Pampran district. Uh, what we have is within Ningo Pampran. That is where we do our operations. Now, when you come to Chopoli, because the area is now developing, so people have bought land and they will need pillars. So we have decided to get pillars. We have the two plot pillars for one plot layout demarcations. Then the long one too as well. If you want a pillar that we should design for you, maybe write your name or your telephone number on it, you come and you talk to me, we agree on it, you test your name or whatever logo that you want us to put on the pillar, you give it to us, then we fix it it comes with a cost. If you cannot fix your pillars, you can show us the site, you produce the pillars, we pay the laborers to go and fix it on your site for you. So any type of pillar that you want to put on your plot to indicate your plot sizes, you can call me on 0246246938 as my number as usual. And when it comes to the main building too, we do the supply of sandstone, the filling materials, the gravels. We have the smooth one, the grade one, and then we have the rough one, which is normally used for the clay road filling and those stuff, and there's the soakaway, those stuffs. We also do supply of those materials. And when you want the smooth sand for plastering, a very nice sand for plastering, we are there. If you want a rough sand, which is these days we use the river sand because the sota sand is no more. The pure rough sand is no more. Where it is now, very far, and sometimes when we mention the price, you cannot pay. So we are using this medium and this one. Sometimes it makes the ducts. If you need ducts, corridors, we supply corridors, quarry stone, and those things concerning building. And then the block factory too as well, whether being 6 inches, 5 inches, hollow or solid, we are there. The design blocks for your finishing, when you finish with your house, and then your flower pot, that one too, we are there for that. If you want to decorate after they do the landscaping and everything, we have the flat designs. We have some as yogurt, some TV3, and then some flowers. Then we will put those things to lay it on your floor. You can park your cars on it. We have a way of doing it. When it rains, the water walks away from the house. Then your house is very neat. So anything concerning these building materials, you can call me on 0246246938. If you need land at Chopoli, when you call me, can get you some. Some are very much affordable. Now Chopoli lands are somehow okay than Pampram and then Dawenya. Pampram, Dawenya somehow expensive than Chopoli because those areas are already developed. But Chopoli too, close to the township, and there are some particular areas which are also somehow a bit expensive than the ones that are far. the one that is out of the town to a certain area that is now developing. Now before they are constructing, some people are on their pillars and those stuff. That one too, the price is different. So anything you have, if you have something small, come with your budget. Let's help you to build your dream house or what you want to do for yourself in the future. I am almost done with the Chopoli. The Chopoli just opposite the GN Bank. The block factory is there. Or the Wenya, Tarazo Junction, going to ECG substation. My block factory is there. The cement shop, the main shop is there. But Chopoli is another branch that we are opening. So we also have a cement under a certain shade over there. And then when you call, we can bring it to from the Wenya to supply for wherever you are. So if you want a cement in large quantity, these days, the truth of the matter is that there is a shortage of quicker. So the cement has become something less. Sometimes you deposit your money there and it's not coming. There's pressure on the cement. But yes, so we'll try to manage and put our customers on certain comfortability so that they also understand us and we work hand in hand. So Mr. Kwete, all the way for years now, we've been working with you. You're on the channel. You know we also know you. We are here to help people who are not around, who are not in Ghana, friends and brothers who are outside. We do a genuine work. I don't need to explain much, but I know most of the people that follows the channel know that if it is A, I'll tell you. If it's B, I'll tell you. It's not all about money. If I tell you the truth and you decide not to buy from me, I don't care. We still we are still on business, but when you go and it hits you, you come back. I'm still on the bench waiting. You come, then we go because we have people who have come to test it and then they have left. Brothers and sisters, let me tell you, there are fraudsters around. Sometimes when you want to sell the material, I give you the cost, you say it's too much expensive. Sometimes the material, depending on where your material is coming from and depending the source and the route where you are getting the material, there are some which are not somehow for the construction. So sometimes construction is somehow expensive. In everything under construction, based on how you want it and how quality you want your thing to be, will give you the cost. So you can tell me when you want us to do something like draft wall, fence wall, we are available. But pardon me, I will beg you to give us time to give you estimate for that. People push for that estimate quickly, but different what you want and different what I want. I may do my fence wall without iron rod. Somebody will do his with iron rod. So when you come with your specifications. Sometimes to your distance, where your site is also determined. That also counts because transportation may involve availability of sources to resources to just go into your job is also involved. But sometimes we don't consider that. We call and say, give me estimates. So when you call for estimates, I will beg you to have patience, give us time to prepare the estimate and give us what you want, either block pillars. The block pillars too, we have different types. We have double blocks, single blocks, or 1.5. Depends on the kind of pillars you want. So please, if we don't do it that way, we might end up doing uh, a fictitious job, and at the end of the day you come and then be blaming me. So it's like when we are working for you, you become our friend, we become your friend, we become one family, we discuss what will be best for you. You also give us what is best. Contact Mr. Kweti on 0246 246938 in case you want a land, in case you want blocks, in case you want sandstone for your building at Bingo Pampra. Thank you.